Hi, good afternoon. May I speak with Miss Marian, please?
Yes, this is Marian speaking.
Hi, Marian. Thank you. My name is Thomas and I'm calling on behalf of Service Master Clean. We are a professional cleaning company specializing in commercial and residential cleaning services. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. The reason I'm calling today is to introduce our professional cleaning service. We are reaching out to local businesses and residents in your area, and we are offering customized cleaning packages to ensure a cleaner, safer environment, especially with health and hygiene being a top priority lately. If you don't mind me asking, are you currently using a professional cleaning service or handling things in-house?
Right now, we just have our staff clean our journey. We've never heard a cleaning service company before.
Okay. That's totally understandable. May I ask what kind of cleaning challenges what you've been facing lately? Maybe issue with those in deep cleaning carpets or sanitization?
Mostly that the general office cleaning, the carpet found used deep clean too. Now that you mention it,
Thanks for sharing that, Marian. That exactly where we can help. Services Master Clean has over 65 years of experience, and we use advanced equipment and safe IPA-approved product to deliver consistent and high quality result. We offer flexible scheduling, whether it's daily, weekly, or even one time deep clean, and we always tailor our services based on what your space actually needs. We'd love to offer you a free seat assessment or quit, whichever you prefer. Would sometimes this week work for a quick walk or virtual consult with one or specialist?
yeah, I think Thursday afternoon might work. Maybe around 2 p.m.
Perfect. I'll schedule that for Thursday at 2 p.m. We'll make it quick and easy. Just to just to reassure you, there's no pressure or obligation at all. It's simply a chance for us to show you what we can offer and see it fit for your needs. I'll send over a confirmation email with the details. Thank you again for your time, Marian. We really appreciate the opportunity and look forward to meeting you on Thursday.
Sounds good. Thanks, Thomas. Talk to you soon.
Absolutely. Have a great day.